Hey everybody, it's Lynn from Subpar Planning. I thought I'd throw up another quick little video of my Stálogy grid line journal that I ordered. I love my ring planner and I'm never gonna get to that point where I'll never use it, but I have been watching a lot of videos on the Hobonichi techo and I thought it was just kind of neat. I took the little brace off my wrist and it seems to be okay. It's still a little swollen, but I gotta start using it or I'm gonna lose it. So anyways, this came today. I ordered it on Thursday evening and Amazon Prime sent it to me and I received it today at like, I don't know, probably a couple hours ago, so it's pretty early. So anyways, this is it. And actually I think I ordered something else, but I can't remember. Hopefully it's nothing too embarrassing, but it's not because I wouldn't be opening it if it was. It's just a phone charger, but it's only 4 inches long. It's perfect for my car. Not perfect, look at that, 4 inches. It's perfect. Anyways, that's not really what I want. So here it is. This is the Stálogy or Stálige, how's that? This is the 365 Days Notebook A6 size. It's comparable to the Hobonichi techo. I've actually never owned a Hobonichi. I think they're actually pretty cool looking, but I don't necessarily think that, I don't know, I just don't think I could wait that long for something because it comes from Japan. But I guess you can order them on Amazon. I kind of spied a couple, but I thought this would be good because it's not dated. It's just it's very minimal, and so I thought I'd give it a try. I'd like to try to oh, and apologize for my fingernails. Obviously you can see which hand I've been using more. Left, right? I've been using my right one more. So yeah, I thought I'd give this a shot. I'm kind of interested in possibly doing more of like the planner journaling decoration style, so I thought I'd give this a try. I think it was $18.99. It was no tax and it was free 2-day shipping with Amazon Prime. So it comes with very minimal packaging, but you've got the day, the week, and the month right here that you would highlight. It's got a timeline, which is going to be just indicated with some numbers on the very, very far side. Everything's thin gray, so it's very light, and then it's 368 pages. So this is basically a page a day for an entire year. Plus, I guess if you want to do like an index or something like that. I've never actually seen one of these before. This is kind of cool. It's a nice little dense book. It's kind of heavy. It's not that bad. So this is what it says on the side. And this is the pages. So this is, again, very minimal. There's not much to it. It doesn't have anything like the Hobonichi. So again, I don't own a Hobonichi. I've never seen one. I've only seen videos of them. But I know that the Hobonichi has like, it'll have like the day here, and it has like a nice little quote down here, and it has the timeline here, and it's got like a little fork and knife like right here on these sides of the pages, so you can see what time, like to see what you've eaten. But as you can see, it has the days of the week, and then it has the day, and then so what you'll do in the month. So you'll just highlight January, Saturday, and then 10, and that's basically how it works. But that would be my dog. Sorry about that. But that's about it. So, just thought I'd kind of show you that thing and see if I actually go through with it. Again, this might be something that I could use more towards like if I wanted to do specific daily journaling on a specific subject. So like a fitness journal, which actually just, those two words just make me laugh because that's probably not something I'd ever do. Or like a tarot journal or a pain tracker. You could use this for a budget tracker if you want, or like your no spend if you're gonna do like a no spend month. But I just thought it was kind of cool. So anyways, I hope you Hope you like that. And again, if you're interested, I'm not a watercolor artist. It's kind of nice paper. I've been told, or I'm under the impression that this has got the Tomeo paper. I don't see anything on here that says this has it. This is made in Japan. If you want to take a look at this, I'll show that. You can actually see it. I don't see anything that says that that's the paper, but that's what you're looking at if you were to get this package. And then I'll show you the front one more time just so you can see. It's a very nice little book though. And I have, again, this is all secondhand information because I don't own any of the Hobonichi stuff, but I do know that I've seen a couple of videos where they say that this will fit into the Hobonichi Techo covers, which I think is kind of cool. So I'm gonna go onto YouTube right now, and I'm going to find some people who have reviewed these and compared them to Hobonichis, or that they use these instead of the Hobonichi because they like it better. And I'll try to link those down so that people can take a look. But I'm kind of intrigued by it. I kind of like the idea of it. I don't know if I'm actually going to do anything, but I figured at least I'd rather pay $18.99 for this than $40 for something that I might not use. And at least this is non-dated. So if I wanted to wait until next year, I could do this for next year. Like I could work on this all year and decorate each page daily for the next coming year if I wanted to. So anyways, that's this, and I will put some links down for some videos. So I hope everything's going well. I hope you're having a lovely day. Deuces. I can barely do that with this hand. Deuces. Bye.